How to clear history on Microsoft Teams app. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to clear history on Microsoft Teams app easy and fast. So all what you have to do guys is just go to Microsoft Teams. Now go to the top corner and click on your profile picture, then go down and choose the settings option. And here you will find many options. Choose the third one, it's data and storage. Click on it and you will find a lot of options. Go down and you will find clear history. Click on it and click OK. Now your history is cleared successfully. Don't forget to like and subscribe if this video was helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you later.